Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got a question for you. Do you have an online business or a website and you're trying to make sales, but you can't drive traffic to it because you don't know how, you don't know what to do, you don't know what direction to go into, and you're just kind of stumped? Well, I've been there. So I'm here to help you out, and I'm going to help you out right now. I'm posting a link below this video to help you drive traffic to whatever business or whatever website you have so you can make sales. It's legitimate, 100% legitimate. There's no fake traffic. There's no robots involved. This is all real. It's the real deal. So don't worry about it. I've already done research. I've been down this road before. I've tried and failed many times. This is the real deal. So I'm going to post a link below this video, and you can check it out for yourself. You can get traffic. You can get sales. It's legitimate. I'm here to help you. I want you to succeed. I'm not going to push you into something that you don't need to go into, any fake stuff or anything like that. So, yeah, if you want sales, if you need traffic, this is the place to go get your traffic. You will have to pay for it. This is not free. So you're going to have to pay for the traffic. But the traffic that you're going to get is real traffic, real people. No robots, nothing like that. So check it out. I'm here to help you. I want you to succeed. So I've already done the research for you. I've been down this road before. This is the place to go to get real traffic. So check it out. And if there's anything else I can do to help you, email me, hit me up, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. But this is for traffic, to help you get sales in whatever business you have. Alright, well, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off now and get out of here. Check out my link below. Sign up with my business if you want to. Right now I'm doing a millionaire mailer. So check out my link, sign up. Let's get this thing going. Let's get this thing rolling. Alright, y'all take care now.